just grow stronger, and old rivers grow wilder every day.
Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a ClearScraps design team project for you. I am working with a really cute shiplap tag, as you can see here. It is a really good size. It measures, I think it's about 3 1/4 inches around 6. So let's measure it together. How are you today? What have you been up to? What have you been crafting? Is that being too nosy? How is the weather in your area? Susanville, we are still having a fire in the area, and it has been really smoky. Okay, so see if I can get this here. If you can see, we have 3 3/8 of an inch wide by just barely over 6 3/4. Not quite 6 13/16. Can you believe I actually have all of these cute little hash marks? Okay, so what I have an idea for today is I am going to turn this into a pencil box. So if you would like to follow along with this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make it. Okay, great. Follow along and I will see you in a moment. I'm going to gather my supplies. I'm going to get some flowers and some paper and some embellishments, and let's get crafting. So I've decided I am not liking the effects I'm getting with this sponge, so I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be using a paintbrush. And you can see you get a much heavier coat with a paintbrush. So I will let this dry in between coats, and I will come back and let you know how many I ended up doing. everyone, here we go. Here is the final project for you. You can see that you can fit scissors, quite a few pins, some pencils. I have the sentiment that says replace fear of the unknown with curiosity. I think this would be a really fun project for a gift for a teacher or anyone that has a desk, works a work area. You can see that there's room on each side even to clip pictures. And then on the back, I have glued on this tiny clothespin. I've added some more embellishments, and you can even add a picture there. I made this fun tag embellishment, and right before I started to record, I knocked this off, so it's still a little bit wet. This was a tag that I received from a swap, and down here it says say hello to a new day. I've got this partial metal embellishment that I had in the same set as these, and so this, you can see this is a great tag, and I've used some buttons for the feet, and I think this just turned out better than my vision. I love all of the embellishing, and I thought that it kind of brought the image in the background to life. So anyway, these are great wood embellishments. You can see that you can do quite a bit with them, and I encourage you to go over to the blog. I have the full instructions at the end of this video. There will be also the measurements for this project that you can take a screenshot of, and I wish you a happy crafty day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, head over to ClearScraps blog for all of the projects and inspiration on how to make them, and I hope that you get some inspiration. All of the ladies have done a fantastic job with their design team projects, and we're on fire, so go check it out. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. This is Denise Abate Smith, and I am Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my crafty mind came up with this gorgeous Shiplap Tag ClearScraps. Go check them out. See you in the next video. Bye for now.